too. I'm sitting outside. I got a cold, but ooh, just look. That's called wind. And well, I don't even have to work on it. I just do it naturally. I can make police sirens with a mouth. Watch this. Here we go. Look, remember, I'm outside. You know, nothing's in this hand. Nothing's in this hand. See? Nothing's in the hands. Nothing's on me. And I'm gonna make these police noises. Here we go. For real? Here we go. This is wait, what? This is the whale sound. It's called the whale, W-A-I-L. When they're racing after people. Here's the one when they are actually coming to you and then they come to a stop and they turn everything off. And then, oh my nose. Let's see, this is a mix of sirens. I usually do this when I'm playing, when I'm running outside, something like that. Let's see. I can also do that foghorn thing. I don't know what it's called. Let me try. I need both hands. Tell me in the comments if that was good. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, I got a blimp. Like if you are coming to somebody and you are like, you don't have your siren on yet, but like you know the person, you gotta arrest them or something like that, and you come to them. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of bees over here. These flowers. And like somebody on a belt or walking or something, and you just, or if they're just a car, you just stop them. The sum it up was that would catch people's attention. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment. Leave a comment inside the comment section below on other things I should do. My next video, I'm going to do a impression of our American school buses here in New York. So, hope you guys have fun listening to those. And if you want to know if it's legit, since I'm already out here, I'm going to do the air brake pump noise. That's like one of the best ones I can do. If this wind would shut up, maybe I can do it a little better. Well, here we go. I don't know if you can hear that. It was pretty quiet, but here we go. It's getting a little quiet. Here we go. That's it. So, if you want to, tune in to my next video.